Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Sammy and this is Harley's Dollhouse. So for today's video I have another spooky doll for you guys where I got to take part in a Halloween collab and I'm super excited about it. The artists I got to work with are Kiro's Workshop, Moonlight Jewel, Jackie O, Hexton, H. Alley Crafts, Enchantarium, Dolly Pop, Dolly Geek, the Doll Fairy. His name is Akin, and Val Kitty's World. And I will have everybody's link down below in the description, so make sure you go check out their videos as well because all their dolls are super amazing and I love every single one of them. And for the doll I decided to make for this collab is a very unique doll. My husband modeled me a ball joint doll for this collab. We've been working on this for quite some time. So here is the 3D model of her. Her name is Cici and she's a Cyclops. And we took forever to print her out. I only have a very small printer, so it probably took like over I think 40 hours just to print all of her. She is roughly 40 centimeters tall and she's quite thick. So it took quite some time. We are working on so we could sell her later on. And before starting our phase, I wanted to work on her eye first. The eye is quite massive, but she's also very big, so it makes sense. I decided to paint it green, and then I'll let the paint dry, do a couple of layers so it is very opaque. Sorry for the camera shaking. I kept running into it while I was working. And after the paint dries, I will fill it with some resin and glitter and cure that underneath the UV lamp. I forgot to show the first layer, but this is the second layer. I didn't fill it all the way, and I'm going to add some more glitter to the second layer and some rhinestones. And after it is cured for a couple of minutes, I added the last layer on top. I had a hard time trying to dome it because it was so big, so she doesn't really have a dome shaped eye. It's a little flat, but that's fine. So instead of trying to make shoes from scratch or trying to buy some and have them shipped in time, we decided to do a model of a platform shoe, and I thought this was a really neat idea since it just has a magnet on the inside and it connects to the bottom of the leg. I also really wanted to give her a pastel goth theme, and I thought some chunky platforms would be really cute. And after the paint is all dry, adding to the pastel goth theme, I have these tiny little spike studs that are used for nail art, and I'm just gonna glue those onto the top of the shoe. And after 2 coats of Mr. Super Clear UV Black Cup, we could start working on her cute little face. So eventually, with her being my first prototype here, we will have more face molds later, so it'll be like kind of like a normal face, and we'll see what goes from there. But there'll definitely be more options when we have her up for sale. And using a light blue pencil, I created some highlights on her upper lid and lower lid. And now with a blue pencil, I'm just going to go in and add some definition to her eyes and make some cute little eye wrinkles. And with that same blue color, I'm just going to start sketching out her eyelashes so I know where I want them later on when I want to make them darker. And she did have a little snaggletooth that was molded on, but we kind of lost that detail after printing her, so I'm just going to draw it back on. And with some pink pastel, I'm just going to add some color to her lips. And with this darker blue pastel, I'm just going to shade around her eye. And with the same pink pastel, I'm just going to give her some blush on her cheeks. And to add some more dramatic shading to her eye, I'm going to add some black on the upper and lower part of the eye. So I am using this Winsor and Newton pen to draw on her lashes. I saw this recommendation from Jackie O on one of her Instagram stories, and I definitely like how they turned out, and I'm really glad she recommended these. Thank you, Jackie. So using this holographic faux leather and this little heart finding, I decided to make her a little choker. I'm just going to use a little bit of super glue just to glue the faux leather down around the heart finding on both sides of the heart. So off camera, I gave her some purple wefts and added some false eyelashes to her eye and added her choker on. So first for her outfit, I am going to make her a cute little skirt using this spooky eye pattern that I got off of Spoonflower. I'm going to add a lace trim to the bottom, gather the top part of the skirt, and then sew it to the waistband, and then hem up the top part of the waistband. And for the shirt, I decided to make her a long sleeve shirt. The bodice part will be black, and I will attach the two bodice pieces to the shoulders and add a striped piece of fabric for the sleeves. And then for the sleeves, I will add some cuffs on the end and then sew the shirt together. And then we are all done. And of course, make sure you go check out everybody's videos because all the dolls just look really amazing and I can't wait to watch them all. So what do you think about my cute little Cyclops monster girl? I think she turned out really cute and I'm really happy that we finally got her finished modeled and printed. We still have a few kinks to work out with her, but hopefully we can have her ready soon for everybody. Let me know what you guys think about her. And as always, thank you for your love and support for my channel. And if you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'll have the next video up. Alright guys, I hope you have a spectacular weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!